Hello traders. I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 16th of September 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit, 100 plus pips today. Yes, that's right. We had an amazing volatility today and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight through the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD in 4 hour, we had a beautiful short trade. As I mentioned yesterday, we about this triangle pattern, and we had such a beautiful breakout, and we still holding some of the trades, still holding short bank, beautiful trades. And let me share with you the 4 hour analysis. If you look at the 4 hour analysis, once we have this bearish engulfing candle at this level, we had a beautiful breakout. That's the beautiful breakout, and amazing profit as soon as the price hit this level. That's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys how I did analysis, how I analyze market in intraday and help my traders to bank amazing profit. If you remember yesterday, as we had this small short trade here, and as I said to you, some of the traders are still holding short because we had it head and shoulder pattern here, as you can see here. This was the trade yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the video link is also given in the video description. You can watch it. As you can see here, same trade, which was a hold short here, trader short holding it, and this morning just before London open, as I mentioned you yesterday, momentum was bearish, and we have another beautiful breakout, first target, first fib channel, and the final fib channel. We had a beautiful short trade bank, amazing profit on EURUSD. You can see here. Right, so if you look at right now, look at if the price has broken the previous low here, and let's see if we can get another pullback. We'll let you know tomorrow, but at the moment our buys are short on EURUSD. But if you look at here, sort of looks like another downside channel pattern is developed. You can see here, respected here, respected here, respected here, and also respected here. So let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. If the price gonna break this previous high, then long here, otherwise pull back short. And if the price gonna break, we're just gonna keep taking a short trade. We'll let you know tomorrow how we did to, how we're going to do tomorrow. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing trade, guys. And if you look at the pound dollar this morning, as always, we had another bearish engulfing candle at this level. As you can see here, that's what we explained to my trader. Price mainly broken many times, false breakout, created many times false breakout, and that's the good sign. So price broken, so we're looking here another after this breakout, so looking here another pullback. That's what we were expecting it. And this candle pattern, bearish engulfing candle pattern, give us the support, and we have taken a short trade here, bank beautiful pips. Yesterday we were long and counter long trade, bank beautiful pips, and today we were short, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you the how I analyze the intraday and refine the entries. Okay, so this is the analysis as I did at the Asian session. Explain to my trader, look for this channel breakout, and explain to my trader the price, just keep this level. It's a very important level. If the price gonna break, they're gonna keep taking pullback. If it is going to respect, then short trade here. So we have this channel breakout trade, one trade that was a beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the previous level, doing beautiful pips. And this morning, as you can see here, I updated the same analysis and explained to my trader, after this breakout, once we have this bearish engulfing candle, so we're just gonna keep taking a pullback, and that's what exactly we did today. And if I show you here, you can see here in 4 hour, after that price came up and then come back. Every time price goes up, we were taking a short trade here, and that's what we did here. And let me share with you guys, this is the analysis, and this is the London morning analysis. After the breakout, we would just keep taking, explaining my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have one pullback, you can see here, breakout, respected one pullback, respected another this level, pullback short trade here. As soon as price hit the level, bank beautiful pips, beautiful pips. And at the New York session, after the news release, news was good for the dollar. That's what I explained to my trader. Either look for this pullback, breakout, and after the breakout, we should taking another pullback. You can see here breakout, after the breakout, another pullback. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the major support level and the first target, explained to my trader, bank beautiful. So you can see here we had a short. Technically we were short from here and keep taking a pullbacks and bank beautiful pips. And if you look at here in 4 hour, as soon as the price hit this support level, and which you explained to my trader, that's the level which you can see here, price keep respected previously, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And if you look at here in 4 hour, price respected this level, and that's what exactly I said to my trader, bank beautiful pips. So you can see we are short on pound dollar, bank beautiful pips. I also mentioned to my trader in 4 hour, look here, looks like a price develop head and shoulder pattern. Either you can consider this one or this one, it doesn't matter. We can see here, and that was a beautiful short trade today. We really enjoyed today, guys, most of my traders. All right, so dollar CAD, if you look at the dollar CAD, and yesterday we were short, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price developed this bullish engulfing candle at the support level, and we were finding a reason for long, and we have taken, and news was good, and after the news we had a beautiful pullback, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, enjoying pipping, and let's see if the price is going to break. So most of the traders still holding it and banking it, beautiful pips, but I made my exit, bank more than 100 pips with my traders. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I did. Okay, so if you look at yesterday, as I said to you, we were keep taking a pullback short trade here. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch the video, link is given in the video description. Okay, so this is the analysis I did yesterday. Explained to my trader that the price is just developed bearish engulf, bearish flag pattern, look for pullback at this level, and then break out another one. So you can see here pullback as performed, then short trade here, then pullback short trade here. And as soon as the price hit at the major support level, as I mentioned in 4 hour, that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's see tomorrow. And today, once the price came back here after the hitting to the target, and explain to my trader, let's wait for the news, and after the news we'll see how things going to work. So I also explained to my trader, look here, looks like an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let's see if the price is going to break this channel, and which you can see here, the news came out and price came back, and after that price came back and retest, and look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. 4 hour price action was telling us price respected to the support level. All the elements are basically supporting us to take a long trade here. We took a long trade here, bank beautiful pips at this level, take another long trade here and pull back. As soon as the price hit this level, I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy pipping. So you can see we had such a beautiful trades today, guys, amazing. Most of the traders banked beautiful pips today, and even more than 100. As you can see, was same trader made 103 pips again. His target was 100. He could have made more, but as soon as the 100 pips hit, as you can see here, this is a complete breakdown of the trade. And let me share with you a couple of trades. Let's see, 23 pips on EURUSD. If you look at here, this is the entry level this morning. Based on this morning analysis, we had this breakout. As soon as the price broken, he took a short trade here. As you can see, first target hit, and he banked beautiful. He could have more, but he made a 23 pips, banked beautiful pips. That was the best trade. We had another 24 pips short on Kiwi dollar. That's again based on the analysis as explained to my trader. Look here, head and shoulder pattern. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken and banked beautiful pips. You can see here first target hit and the second target nicely hit. That's what we explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. So he banked beautiful pips. and his last trade was dollar CAD long. Let me share with you his entry. Look at how nicely, basically after the breakout, as soon as the price retests, momentum is bullish, he opened a position. As soon as the price hit to the first target, explained to bank some profit, and afterwards he hit his target 100 pips, bank amazing pips. All these trades you can see only have a minus losing to even pound dollar. He took this short trade here on pullback. That's why he keep taking a pullback short trade of bank. Beautiful pips. All right, guys, as you can see here, most of the trades, beautiful pips. Even Aussie dollar, look here, that's the beautiful breakout short trade. News was good for the dollar, and that was a beautiful reason to take a short trade. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, and that's what exactly I said to you. The most interesting thing is you should be watching those analyses in real time with live audio commentary support alongside a 4-hour analysis and banking profit in real time. And the most important thing is you're going to develop your trading skill in real time in a live trading environment. And once you develop your trading skill and you produce consistency results like that, PPs all the time, then definitely I can help you to get funded from the prop firms. If you are interested how I coach and train traders in real time through live intraday analysis through this virtual platform, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team member will show you how you can become a good successful trader and get funded. And even if you are experienced trader and if you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.